I'm so happy to announce that Chromeworks has finally reached 500 subscribers on YouTube. This is a big milestone in our mission to help kids all over the world learn how to code. Thanks to everyone who subscribed and checked out our lessons so far. It really means the world to us here at Chromeworks. To celebrate, we're giving away a free Chromeworks t-shirt to the viewer who can recruit the most new subscribers. Just share this video with your friends on YouTube, TikTok, or any of our other social media channels. Ask them to subscribe and reply in the comments. There's more! We're also hosting a video game contest. We're giving away a second Chromeworks t-shirt to the fan who codes the best original video game. Just follow the instructions at chromeworks.ca/contest to find out how to submit your entry. Winners will be announced on our May 29th live stream. So have fun, and again, thanks so much for your support.